Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of visual excellence with our list of the top 5 best 4K TVs of 2024. We've researched and tested the latest models to bring you a comprehensive guide. Each TV on our list offers unique features and innovations that set them apart. So, whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just love a high-quality viewing experience, stay tuned. And here's a teaser: one of these TVs has a feature that's a game-changer in the industry. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. TCL 65 inches 4K TV. Number 4. Hisense 65 inches 4K TV. Number 3. LG C3 Series 42-inch 4K TV. Number 2. TCL 43-inch Class 4 Series 4K TV. Number 1. LG G3 Series 65-inch 4K TV.